Howdy, a very good day to you people. My name is Mohit और मैं आज कान घुमा के नहीं पकड़ूंगा, सीधे पकड़ूंगा और कस के पकड़ूंगा. I'll straight away get to the point. I've been thinking all these years, after purchasing the AMCAT YKey Plus wireless combo. Why did I all these years stick to Logitech, the big names Logitech, the big names Microsoft, and not go for a much less pricey budget keyboard for the middle class, the AMCAT? And I really don't know why every YouTuber keeps on calling it MCAT. Seems like a name of a cat. Anyways, jokes apart, let's come back to the actual subject, the keyboard. Okay, so it's a wireless combo. It's a high precision optical mouse. And what's the best thing about the mouse? Apart from being that it has it's a full size keyboard with 2.4 GHz wireless nano USB receiver, it has a DPI button. The DPI button is right under the 3D scroll wheel, and that allows you to adjust the dots per inch, switch between 800, 1200, 1600. 1600 is the default, guys. Okay, you press it once, it goes from 1600 to 1200, and then you press it again, it goes to the lowest 800. So when you move when you move the mouse an inch, it'll either move 1600 dots per inch or pixels per inch on the screen, or 1200 or 800. I'm very comfortable with 1200, the middle setting. So that's, where's that DPI button? It's right under the the 3D scroll wheel. Anyways, as you can see out here, it has got anti-skid. Yeah, you see, if you invert the keyboard, you'll find that it has got 4 anti-skid spots, rectangular spots, and it's got tiltable legs. Okay, it's got 12 multimedia keyboards, then adjustable tilt legs, as I said. Then it's got LED indicators for the num lock, the caps lock, and low battery. I haven't seen the low battery. Obviously, it's plug and play, USB nano receiver, USB connection. It's a full size mouse, full size keyboard, right? MRP is $15.99, but you get it around you can even get it around 1,000 in a sale, but mostly available for 1,200. 3 years warranty is a bonus. What is the best part about the keyboard, apart from the fact that you can actually switch between 800, 1200 and 1600 adjustable DPI? I haven't seen that in any of the earlier mice that I've used. Is the fact that it's so silent. The first thing that surprised me was it is sturdy. It is very slim in the sense it's more like, what is a Indian papad? I like to use a little bit of Hindi here. Papadam, right? It's very flat. It's pretty flat, and so I like the fact that it hardly makes any noise. So it's very you can call it a very peaceful keyboard. Full size keys, chiclet like keys. Okay, then the keys are protected with UV. These keys are actually UV coated, that prevents the letters from fading away. And as I said, it's got a multimedia keyboard, 12 keys, which are for multimedia player, volume down, volume up, mute, previous, next, track, play, pause button, stop button, web browser, email, my computer, and favorites. Okay, again let me repeat, it's got a LED indicator for num lock, caps lock, low battery. I haven't seen the low battery. Those red lights come up. Okay, there is no power on and off button on the keyboard at all. Excuse me. There is no power on and off button on the keyboard. So the keyboard automatically goes into a sleep mode, and even the mouse after 1 or 2 minutes of inactivity, and comes back to life on tapping it.